Hey, what's going on? It's your man Evan here, the crypto addict. Got my cousin Sean here with me.
What's going on, people?
And we just was sitting here. We was actually having a conversation about crypto and just kind of how it works. I was kind of breaking it down and letting cuz know a little bit of the things that I've been, doing some research on and discovering about this whole cryptocurrency community. I really don't even like to call them cryptocurrencies. I think of them more as crypto assets. But we're going to just let you in on the conversation that we have about cryptocurrencies or crypto assets, and hopefully you can find some value in the conversation.
So look, cause I don't really know too much about the crypto world,
Right.
And you've been talking about the crypto world for a minute, and how do I start off getting into crypto first of all?
Okay, well, the easiest way to I think, in my opinion, to get started with crypto and Bitcoin is probably through Cash App, because pretty much everybody got Cash App.
So you mean to say I could get a Cash App and get some type of crypto coin?
Oh yeah, immediately. You know what I'm saying? It's just as simple as how you send money to other people. You go in, you click the little B icon that's in your Cash App, and you purchase as much as you want. Anywhere from $1 to, I think you can do up to $10,000 a day.
So you mean to tell me, like, in my Cash App, I can get any kind of crypto?
No, just Bitcoin as of right now.
Just Bitcoin?
Yeah, right now that's like, if you just want to go ahead and start investing in Bitcoin, that's where you want to go. I think the fees are the lowest there, and it's the most easiest and convenient to get to. So, and that's where I buy my Bitcoin at predominantly.
So you buy your Bitcoin from Cash App, no other apps?
Well, I do use a lot of other apps because there's a lot of other coins that's out there.
A lot of other coins? What you mean a lot of other coins?
Bro, it's like 9,000 coins out there, literally. But all of them not good projects.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to really look at each coin. Each coin is a different project. Right? But Bitcoin is like the granddaddy project. Like, it introduced the whole idea of blockchain technology. And all blockchain mean is like a ledger.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like a written out ledger. That's what it does. It uses cryptography in order to assign things on the ledger.
Okay.
So that's the kind of techie side of it, but the simple way is it's just a ledger where people record data and information.
All right, I know a lot of people out there almost like me, and they didn't really want to put their money into like Bitcoins or like cryptocurrency, because a lot of people are scared. You know what I mean? What can you like tell them to like really not make it be secure in what they're doing, or just like letting them know that, yeah, this is the way to go for the future and stuff like that?
Well, it's inevitable. Anytime you see the government and the banks and everybody trying to push against something, you kind of know that's probably the direction you should be going in.
All right.
Like, if you go back 10 years ago, all the banks and financial institutions were against Bitcoin, saying that it was a scam, that it wouldn't work. They laughed at it. They made jokes about it. And now here we are 10 years later, they're offering you the service to get Bitcoin so that they could get into the middle between you and Bitcoin and make them a little fee off of it and sell it to you at a higher price. They positioning themselves right now. That's why a lot of times when you see the price and the value of Bitcoin going up and down, just know it's people that's behind there that have a lot of Bitcoin that are buying and selling to flush everyday people out of the market so that they can buy Bitcoin at a lower price.
So if they flush everybody out the market, like you said, they'll get it at a lower price and then it'll go back up later.
Then it goes back up later. And then guess what happens? You come back in and buy it at a higher price.
And then you be looking like, okay.
Then guess what they do? They do the whole thing over again. They try to keep flushing the market out. That's why you always see in the market going up and down.
Okay. So besides Bitcoin, what all, you said it's what?
9,000 coins. Yeah.
That's a lot of coins.
That's a lot of coins,
so
a lot of different coins.
How do you know what coin is the right coin to pick?
Well, you got to start doing research. You got to start looking at who's behind the project. Like I said, each coin is kind of like its own project. So you want to look and see who the development team is, who their advisors are, what their background is in. Like a lot of these projects, like I'll give you an example of a project called Theta. Theta is probably ranked about 20th or between 20 and 30, somewhere around there as far as market cap, meaning the size of the project, amongst all cryptocurrencies. However, this is one of the things I like about the Theta project. They have partnerships with, but before I even tell you about the partnership, let me tell you who's behind the project. the co-founder of YouTube and the co-founder of Twitch are advisors for this project.
Okay.
What this project actually is a decentralized streaming video platform.
Okay. I know about the YouTube, but I mean, for real. I really don't know about no Twitch. What is a Twitch?
Twitch is another like platform where gamers typically jump on there and record themselves gaming.
Okay.
And showing different strategies and tricks and different things like that.
So I just been out of the loop for a long time, man. I mean, seriously.
Listen, man, 2021, we digital. It's a whole lot of stuff happening, bro. It's tough to even keep up with all of the things that's going on.
Okay, so if I wanted to like get in stuff and like just know about these, coins and things, what is the first thing that I need to do besides getting a cash app? I got a cash app.
You got a cash app. You can start buying your Bitcoin. What you want to do to start really learning about all of the coins is to go in your app store, download CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap.com. Go to download either one of those apps, and from there you'll be able to see all of the coins that are out there. If a coin isn't listed on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, I'd be real skeptical of that coin.
Okay. So you're saying that most of the coins will be on CoinGecko, and what's the other one you said?
CoinMarketCap.
CoinMarketCap.
Yeah, it's just like a listing service for coins.
So let me ask you a question. How long have you been trading coins?
Trading coins, I typically don't consider myself a trader.
Okay.
I consider myself a hodler, meaning I like
a collector?
I like to accumulate coins, bro. Listen, I like to accumulate those coins because once you start really digging in and start doing your research, you'll find out that you can find coins that are really good projects. And the more you learn about them, you'll learn what is a good project. Once you start seeing the people that's working behind it, and you say, hey, this project I can get in, this is undervalued. Okay. I can get in at a low price on this coin or on this project. And in 6 months, I think this project can be 10 times, 100 times bigger than what it is now. Okay. And so that's kind of what you're putting your bet into the company, how long it survives. If you got a short-term goal, you say, I think this project in the next 3 months could, get on fire. A lot of people might hear about it. It seems like a popular type project. I got the opportunity to get in on it early. Let me get in on it early. When it goes up, 40, 50%, 100%, let me cash some of that out, at least my initial investment, and whatever else is there, I can just let it ride. That's house money.
So do you, when you trade coins, what really do you look for in order for you to buy a coin?
I just look at the value, the current market price.
What you mean by value?
The market price, what it is right now, what it's trading for. If you look 30 days prior to the day and see where it's trading at, if it's, sitting above or below the market price, you look at the trends in the market, whether the price been selling higher than what it is today or whether it's been trading lower than what it is today. If it's lower than what today's price is or the average price is, then I want to buy it if it falls into one of those zones.
Okay. Have you ever bought a coin that didn't have 30 days in a coin in the beginning?
Yeah. I find out about coins that are new that I have no idea what they're gonna do. And you take a little gamble, that's not a large part of my portfolio, but I will, make an investment on a coin that I know is new and just getting listed on a lot of exchanges, because I know that when they get listed on these exchanges, a lot of people are going to be just finding out about those projects for the first time, so they may buy into them, looking for the hype of people finding out about it to buy in, and when it goes up 10%, 20%, make a sell.
Okay.
So that you can make a 20% gain on your investment.
Okay.
So if a project is getting listed today at 4 o'clock, at 4 o'clock you get on there and you buy $100 worth, and in the first 10 minutes it goes up 20%, and you decide to go ahead and cash out, well, you just made $20 in 10 minutes.
Okay. It sounds profitable, but is it a gamble?
It's definitely a gamble, because you don't know how the market is going to move. It's hard to predict. A lot of people use Japanese candlesticks or the actual charts to look at technical analysis. and the different fundamentals, but it's definitely a gamble. Nobody can say for sure they know exactly what the market is going to do, when it's going to do it. We're all just speculating and guessing.
Okay. So if somebody wanted to get into like, coin, trading or coin collecting, what would be like 3 pointers you'll give them today to get in? Like a person like me, I don't know anything about coins.
Yeah,
So,
first things first,
like you say,
go ahead, get CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Go ahead and do that. First things first. Second thing you want to do is go ahead, get you some Bitcoin on your Cash App.
okay.
And third thing I would say is to start watching and videos such as the Gentleman of Crypto on YouTube
Okay.
to find out the daily events that are surrounding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, just so you can start gaining more awareness and understanding of cryptocurrency and the cryptocurrency market.
Okay. So it sounds like Bitcoin is the coin that you like the most because you keep on saying Bitcoin.
Yeah, I mean Bitcoin is granddaddy. That's Big Papa right
Okay,
there.
That Big
You know what I'm
Papa
saying?
right
That's Big
there.
Papa.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
So if you could, I mean, who the mama and the daddy you can't let them know right now?
Ain't nobody but Big Papa. Then the rest of them is the grandkids
Okay.
just coming along.
Also, they don't even get no mama and daddy right here. Them just little churn right there.
Ain't nothing but the churn. Ain't nothing but the churn running there. And you trying to, they sorting it out.
Okay.
Because the whole digital age still young. Ethereum has been the number 2 for a few years.
Okay.
But Ethereum got a lot of different coins that's coming for that number 2 spot, and it's gonna be tough for them to hold them off because a lot of these projects are faster, solve more problems, have less of the gas fees and the headaches that's associated with Ethereum. But Ethereum has all of the developers and things there because they were there first.
Okay. So, is the market for coins, is it more like a stock market type thing? So, and things like that?
I think it's like if the stock market hit the reset button today and all the companies were starting all over like fresh.
Okay.
As opposed to like the stock market's been around for years and companies have come in. It's a whole Fortune 500 and all. It's literally thousands of companies. Like the crypto market is just more fresh. It's more new. It's more alive. It's more vibrant. It's more volatile. So it moves up and down a lot more. So that volatility means there's a lot more money to be made because the range goes up and down a lot.
Okay.
Whereas in stock market, it's less volatility. So you might get 1 to 2% gains, 3 to 5% gains, whereas the stock market, people getting 50, 60% gains, 100% gains, 200% gains, 1,000% gains.
Okay. So the average Joe could just go do this and could be successful like quick.
It's possible, but I don't believe in luck. I believe in being prepared. So the more you learn about the stocks, you look into them. Like I said, you do your research, find out more information about them. I think the better and more successful you'll be in the cryptocurrency market. Like, you actually got to have skin in the game so that you can really, understand and feel it.
Okay.
So, of course, you want to buy in small amounts. Dollar cost average your way into the different projects. So I wouldn't recommend, let's say if you had $1,000 that you wanted to put into crypto, I wouldn't say, okay, today just drop $1,000 on Bitcoin. I would say over the course of the next month, put, $20, $30 in per day over the course of the next month.
Okay.
That way you're catching the ups and downs of where the price is, but you're getting kind of like the best average price by doing it like that. And you'll start noticing that, okay, the price today, the price the next day, the price the next day, you'll start knowing where the low price and the high price is. And on the days when the price is lower than what it usually is, you'll say, hey, let me buy a little bit more on these days because I know I'm getting a better deal.
Because you know the price.
Because you know what the price is. Right.
Okay. I mean, you've been talking to me about this for a long time, man. You know what I mean? I've been ignoring it, not trying to really get in it. I think you really probably got me, you know what I mean, really thinking about it. And, I want my money to work while I'm not working.
Absolutely.
You know, and so on that note, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and buy some Bitcoin on my Cash App. You know, that's my first thing. I'm gonna go ahead and buy some Bitcoin on my Cash App and see how that go. You know, and then I go ahead and do the little crypto gecko thingy. You know, y'all.
Coin Gecko.
There you
Hey,
go.
we're gonna work with it.
Yeah, go work
And
with
for
it.
everybody that's watching the video, I'll make sure that I put those links inside of the description box of this video, just to make it a little bit easier, and you know, just trying to help out, man, because if you can let your money work for you, you won't have to work as much.
Hold on, they didn't hear you. I think you might need to tell them that again, because that just almost went over my head, cuz.
If you let your money work for you,
Uh-huh.
you won't have to work as much.
Mm.
You know what I'm saying? That's what the wealthy people do. Wealthy people put their money to work for them. They don't go to work. They put their money to work. So the money that you got, let's go ahead and start taking that money, putting it to work, so that we can go ahead and build the future that we desire. So we can spend more time with our family, with our friends, with our loved ones, doing the things that we want to do as opposed to what we have to do in order to survive.
Right.
So on that note, cuz I think we'll go ahead and wrap up this video.
Yeah, I
and
think so too, man.
you know, we're gonna come right back at you guys in the future with some more videos, start breaking you guys in, letting you know all about crypto. Let's talk crypto. This is the Crypto Addict, sitting here with my cousin Sean. Hey, y'all have a blessed day.
Yeah, y'all have a blessed day.